Hello, my name is Victoria Phan and I'm a senior at Pinellas Park High School. My future plans in savoring and cherishing our environment starts with letting the general public be aware of what is currently happening to our Earth and its creatures. Our Earth is currently being beaten down by human actions and neglect. In order to help this is to reduce greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and enforce recycling around our communities, especially in schools. I would like to help people see recycling as a pleasure in preserving our environment rather than a chore that has to be done. Making it fun for both adults and children, like setting up contests or races and seeing who could recycle more, keeps the people entertained and interested. It is the main idea in order to obtain their help. Recycling helps save trees from being cut down to create paper and other products. Trees take in CO2 or carbon dioxide and convert it into energy for us to breathe. The more trees we preserve, the less CO2 and other common fumes are in the air. Another thing is to express the idea that fossil fuels are emitting a lot of other chemicals in the air as well. An idea to help reduce this is carpooling. If a bunch of people are attending the same place at the same time, at a convenience for them, instead of taking 5 cars with 2 people in each, take 2 cars with 5 people in each. It might not make a big difference right now, but as time passes, our Earth would be thanking us in the long run, along with our future generation and their generation. Small and simple actions like this will help our environment tremendously. It will grow on as decades pass. Eventually, we can slowly achieve our long-term goals like finding alternatives for gasoline and radiation that is drained into the air. We also need to speak up and defend our environment. For one thing is oil in the pipeline. There was great controversy in the pipeline being put in. People don't see is adding the pipeline takes away clean water from people who are currently living there. On another hand, if an oil spill were to happen, it would bring so much distress to our domain. These big topics have to be made aware for people to understand what would and will happen to our Earth. Communication is also part of the plan. Contact big corporations in seeing if there could be other ways that could help our environment. Our society and generation are advancing in technology as we speak. In a couple of years, there will be plenty of resources to help this goal as well. Thank you for listening to my ideas and my goals to help save my Earth.